Hi, I am RJ Mapaling.
I am John Polubic.
I'm Amel Obrero.
I'm AJ Dinostres, and we are
Group 4 Fortitude. Let's talk about the list of the things that we need for our second Arduino project. So in this project, we need 2 jumper cables, our mini breadboard, the Arduino Uno, our LED, and our resistor. We also need our USB cable.
Here is the source code for the Arduino Project 2, which is the SOS beacon. So first, we will declare the variable. This is integer, then the variable name is pin LED, then the pin number is 10. Next is we will initialize the pin and set the mode, whether it is input or output. And we will use void setup here. Pin mode, then the variable which is pin LED, then the mode that we will use here is output. Then our main logic, we will loop this main logic. Then in this void loop, we will use the for loop, and in this for loop, this first for loop we will use it is the S from the SOS. So first we will initialize the variable I, integer I, and then set the value to 0. Then the next is the condition, then I is less than 3, then we will increment this for it to turn on and turn off again. So first we will set the pin LED to high to turn it on, then with a delay of 200 for it to turn off. Then next is we will set the digital right pin LED to low for it to turn off with the delay of 100 seconds, with the delay of 0.1 for it to turn on again. Then after this loop for 3 times, we set a 0.1 delay here for the next for loop. Then this is the O. So again, same for loop again. Then the difference here is we set the delay of this digital right pin LED high 0.5 for it to turn off. Then after 0.1 it will turn on again. Then same again, we will set the delay 0.1 for it for running the final S. Again with the same format for loop, then digital right pin LED high with the delay of 200 for it to turn off, then digital right pin LED low to turn off with the delay of 0.1 for it to turn on again. Then we will loop these 3 for loops of 5 seconds for it to turn on again.
So now let's look at the results of the code that we've made. We've connected it to the laptop. 3 fast blinks will be S, the 3 long blinks will be O, and the 3 blinks again at the end will be S. So it will complete the SOS. And as we can see, our code worked well.